Did you know you can build a business website in just 30 seconds, completely free, using AI? In this video I'll show you exactly how, step by step, with a tool called Durable. Stay till the end to see the result. So what is Durable? Here's the idea. Build your business with Durable. Create a website with AI, get discovered with SEO and GEO, manage customers, and grow faster with AI marketing tools. All with one app. Basically, it lets you build a business website right in your browser, with no skills needed. Let me show you exactly how. Here are some real examples created with Durable. Just look at the quality, and remember, all of this was made by regular people with no experience. With Durable you can build a business website and a whole lot more in seconds. No downloads, no complicated setup, everything runs right in your browser. These results are stunning, and the best part is you can make something just like this yourself in only 30 seconds. Let me show you how. First, head over to the Durable website and click Sign Up. Log in with your Google account in just a few seconds, no credit card needed. To build a business website, just type a simple description of what you want, or upload your file. The AI takes care of all the hard work for you. Hit Generate, and in seconds the AI creates your result, just like these examples. Pick your favorite and move on. When you're happy with it, download your result and use it anywhere, in your videos, your projects, or social media. Done in 30 seconds. The free plan is perfect to get started. If you need more, the paid plans are cheap and scale up as you grow. And that's how you build a business website with AI in 30 seconds. The link to try Durable for free is in the description. If this helped, subscribe. I review a brand new AI tool every single day.